If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Wish account, follow these simple steps to ensure that you won't be charged unexpectedly in the future. Step 1. Open the Wish app. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app or website. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Payments. This section will provide details about your current subscriptions and any auto-renewal settings. Step 4. Manage auto-renewal. Select the subscription you wish to manage. There should be an option to turn off or cancel auto-renewal. Click on this option to disable it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off auto-renewal, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Make sure to follow any additional instructions to finalize the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal feature on your Wish account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for help.